Okay. Okay. So let's see. As given in the exam, I'll quickly go through it. My cousin has invested a lot of money dash farming. So very good. So whenever some put something inside, okay, it's a business and you're investing money, that means you're putting the money inside. So there the correct word is in. So the answer for this is in. Okay, my cousin has invested. Invested means putting it inside, putting money inside. Very good. Okay, so whenever you invest something, you put something, you're supposed to put in. You put the money in the cupboard. So whenever money is invested, it is in. Okay, so remember that. So next one. It is dangerous to enter dash enemy's camp. Okay, it cannot be through because it is not a doorway. It cannot be on because you can't get on the enemy's camp. It cannot be with the enemy camp. So obviously, it is dangerous to enter into the enemy's camp. Very good. Excellent. SR Clarence, Halley. Yeah, good evening, Halley. Very good. D. Religious leaders should not delve. Delve means go into. Delve, the word means go into. Should not delve, go. Okay, delve is go. So obviously the answer is into politics. So when you're entering something, you say entering. I'm entering into sports. I'm entering into politics. That's how you say it. So the answer should be, the preposition for this is into. Very good. Chidamba, Noemi, very good, very good. Next one. India is committed dash a policy of peaceful existence. So whenever you say you're committed, then the word you should use is, so whenever you are saying you are committed, the word you use is to. Okay, even in a relationship, you say I'm committed to a particular person, I'm committed to a particular cause. Okay, so answer is to for the fourth one. Okay, very good. Excellent. Excellent, Solomon, Chidamba. Okay. Raman speech pointed dash some of our defects. Very good. Excellent, Pema. Abbas. Now, a lot of people are confused between, some are saying at, some are saying to, some are saying towards. At something is when you point, if you see something on the road and you point the finger, then you say at. But he's not pointing the finger directly. He's telling it in his speech. Very, very good. Now, why it can't be to? Why the answer is towards? Towards is something which is not there, abstract. To is again physical. He pointed to the dog. He pointed to the building. That's where you go for to. Towards means he pointed to he talked about, he pointed towards some of the defects in the country's policy. So whatever is abstract, it has to be towards. It cannot be on. On means you're physically saying this is the problem and you are on top of it. That's not the point. The point, it cannot be on. The answer has to be towards. Whenever you are giving, it's not physically present but abstract, it has to be towards. Is that understood, everybody? Can you move on to the next slide? Always remember, whenever you get a doubt whenever you get a doubt between to and towards, if it's physical and it's there in your vicinity and in your proximity, it's to. If it's away from you and you're giving it through your thought, it's towards. My relation dash Sukumar are good. Very good. So whenever you talk about relations, you say my relations with my family. It can't be against, because against means opposite. And you are saying good. On Sukumar doesn't make any sense. My relations to Sukumar doesn't make any sense, because again, relations are not something which connect physically. They are thoughts. Okay. So Ram, my relations with Sukumar are good. Okay. Shiva has no control dash his temper. Very good, Prema. Muhammad, very good. Robert, Reno. See, whenever you say control, the word control always come over. The captain had no control over his soldiers. Okay. The country has no control over the policy. Okay. So whenever it's talking about control, it has to be over. Always remember this. Both of them go together. Control and over. Okay. Very good. I am use dash such hardships. So you're saying hardship. So whenever there is a hardship, for people who are saying add, so you're saying whenever there is a hardship, you are used at hardship means it as if hardship is some location where you are used. No, that doesn't make any sense. What do you say? I am used. Always with used comes I am used to something. I am used to the climate in my country. I am used to the conditions that exist around me. Okay. So the answer, I'm used at, doesn't matter. At is only, again, I'm telling you, physical places. Mostly it's at physical places. Okay. To means I'm telling you my thoughts. I'm used to my surroundings. Okay. Good. Very good. I was shocked dash the sad news. What is it? I was shocked with the sad. So you're saying the shock is with the sad news, as in you're saying as if the sad news is a electrical shocker, and you're shocking it with you're actually touching me with it so that you're shocking me. That's not the point. The point is, what was the I was shocked with is totally gone. I'm shocked in sadness is something which I cannot sit inside, so it's not in. I was shocked at, okay, at the sad news. Okay, so the answer is at. You're always shocked at some circumstances. Okay, I was shocked at the way that the people were living in the conditions. Very good, excellent. Sukden, as usual, very good. IR also very good. Okay, we must keep something dash a rainy day. Very good. So whenever it rains, actually rainy day means when there is trouble. Okay, so normally we must keep something for a rainy day means we must actually save money for times of trouble. That's what it means. Okay, so the answer is for. You always save for something. Okay, in the future, if something is going to happen, you always say for. Okay, Mao, sorry. Okay. Because it was Mao IR, I said Mao. Yeah, very good. Excellent. So now next. Only the blood stained. Blood stained means there are a lot of marks of blood. It sounds like something out of Game of Thrones. Okay. Only the blood-stained road was a witness. See, whenever you're talking about somebody or something seeing, then witness will be, he was the witness to the crime. Okay, so witness will always go with to, it's because it's physical. I told you, if it's something physical, you use the word to. Yeah, Umar, you wanted to say something? Please write it in the chat box. Shoaibu Umar, if you want to say something, please write it in the chat box. So the answer would be A, 2. Very good, Solomon. Very good. The Indian magpie. Magpie is a bird. The magpie is a bird. Okay. Indulgence means it takes a lot of, it enjoys. Indulge is to enjoy. So what is it? It can't be on a long flight because we are not, actually it's a bird, so it doesn't need to board a flight. Okay. It can be at a flight. It has to be in a long flight. Indulges, always indulges, enjoys a long flight. Not with. With means the object is here, and with means something is along with it. Okay. So answer should be in. We traveled. Okay. So now a lot of people get confused whenever it comes to transportation. Let me clear the point for you. When should you on? Why do people say on a bus but in a car? A lot of people get confused here. Okay. So if it's a container where it's very, the space is very small and you can only stand or sit like in a car, because it's like a container, it's like a box, you say in. But when you get on a bus where you can walk around, it's like a platform. Bus is like a platform where you can walk around, you say on. So boat is something which is big. Because it's big, you can walk around on a boat. You say, what do you say here? When a car is moving, you're definitely on, but when it's yet to move, no, it's not like that. It depends upon whether the transportation vehicle is a platform or a container. If you can only sit and stand, okay, if you can only sit and stand, it's called in. If you can walk around on that, it's called on. Okay, it came from the rule that buses used to have decks and people used to stand on the decks. Okay. Okay, annotation have started. So like that. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Now, so the answer should be what? The answer should be, we traveled on a boat to reach Sri Lanka. Very good. Excellent. I hope you got the when you can use on and when you can use in. I do not agree. Dash you on this point. What is it? Very good. With you. So whenever it is agreement, it has to be with or agree or disagree. I don't agree with you or agree with you. Both of it comes with only. I do not agree at you because you're not facing towards him. So it's not right. In you, you're not sitting inside him. I do not agree to you doesn't make any sense. I will say it can come, I do not agree to your point. If you're talking about a point, but if you're directly saying I do not agree with you, then it has to be with. Okay, good, very good. The teacher has no control. What did I tell you whenever control comes? Over. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. And Mizwa, Mohammed, Solomon, Chilo, Clarence. What is it? Chibamba. Yeah. Good sleep is necessary. Dash good health. So something is coming as a result. Whenever it's a result, you are going to go for 4. 4 is what you're going to go. Good sleep is necessary for good health. Excellent. Gitu, Chibamba. Chibamba, I hope it's not your mother's name. Okay. Your statement is very much similar. Whenever you're pointing out to similarity, okay, you always use the preposition to. Your statement is very much similar to mine. Please read the PDF that I have given you. Everything is very clearly explained in the PDF of preposition PDF. It's only 19 pages. It will not take much data also. But everything will be very clearly, each and every 150 prepositions have been given. Okay. So there are 2 kinds of prepositions, simple prepositions and compound prepositions. 94 simple prepositions and the remaining are compound prepositions have been given. If you cover this more than enough, it's only 19 pages. Please go through it. Okay. Sometimes we have to put, so what is it? Sometimes we have to put, very good. So whenever you get the word put, you get the word up. Why do I even put up with your mischief making? Okay. Why should I even put up with you? Okay. So something like that. So whenever put comes normally in a sentence where we are going, so we say put up. So the answer is up. Especially when it comes to behavior, which is negative behavior, you say put up. Very good, Clarence. Chilo also. She was a devoted wife and looked very good. Always when somebody is sick, you look after them. You don't look at them. Look at them is just glancing at them. Look to them doesn't make any sense. It means looking towards them only again. Look for them, he's not lost. He's fallen sick. Okay. To look for them means to look for somebody who has lost. Look at means to glance. Glancing. Glancing means just giving a casual look. Okay. So answer should be good night. Okay. After. The peasant refused to grovel. Grovel is actually to become like a subjugate himself. Grovel is actually beg. Yeah, tell me. Somebody raised their hands. Umar and Afarma. Okay, they refuse to grovel at the feet. It can't be on the feet because you're not laying on the master's feet. Okay. About always means towards the sides, either this side or that side. Okay. So it can't be about. Upon again means like on only. Okay. So it can't be 3. So at. Could you kindly revisit question number 8? Sure. Tell me. I am used. You can't see when you can't say at, because that means whenever you visit some place called hardship, it means whenever you visit a place called hardship, you are used at that place. No, it doesn't mean that. You are actually adjusting to your circumstances around you. That's what it means. Okay. So for adjusting, it's always to. Okay. That's why its answer can't be at. It has to be to. To such. I'm adjusting to such hardships. Did you get it? Abdullah? No, who was it? Yeah. Abbas, did you get it? I actually chose to, but I was marked wrong. I'll get in touch with Vimal. I'll see what happened. Okay. 11. Somebody was asking 11. Yeah. What about somebody was saying 11? Who was it? Abdullah? Yeah. Only the blood-stained road, that means the where the victim was murdered, where his blood has fallen on the road. Stains means marks of blood. Even some blood you can't wash away. It's called blood stains. Yeah. Was a witness. Only those stains were a witness. That means nobody else was there. Only his blood was the witness. Assassination is killing. Normally it's political killing. Killing by giving somebody else money, right? So only the bloodstained road was a witness. So whenever you talk about witness, you say witness to some specific crime. Okay, is that okay, Abdullah? I'm having was a witness. Why not of? See, only the bloodstained road was a witness of his only the bloodstained road was a witness. See, that's what I'm saying you. Whenever it is physical, it has to be two. Okay. So I can't say I was a witness. I was a witness to the murder. You say I was a witness to the murder. You don't say I was a witness of the murder. Do you? Somebody who said at, of. Somebody who said off, right? Somebody was saying, why not off? Yeah. SR, it do, when I say I'm the witness to the murder, did you say I'm the witness to the murder or I'm the witness of the murder? Witness is a separate physical thing that is happening in front of your eyes. So whenever you look with front of your eyes, you say you're a witness to. So that's your answer. You give me the answer yourself, sir. The answer has to be two. Off doesn't match, yeah. Off sounds good, but two is actually the answer. In English, it happens. Somebody was asking somebody was asking 12. Was it? Any more? Please message me. I can't see you. 5. Okay. What's your doubt? Okay. Let me explain this. See, whenever it's physical and you're pointing to something, then you say, I'm pointing to the door. I'm pointing to the person. It's two. Whenever it's an idea, then it's two words. Because he's saying speech, he's not physically pointing out to the defects. It has to be two words. Direction, it means he's pointing towards the direction of the defects. Okay. That's why answer has to be two words. Is that okay? Mao? Did you get it? Isn't anybody else who wants the doubts cleared? Yeah, Mao, you're saying something. You just said, sir. Is it okay? What I explained? Did you get what I explained? 5. I failed that number before. All good. Okay, very good. So no messages. It can't be because it's a direct action. It can't be because it's a direct. If it's a direct action, it's 2. Oh, okay. No. Are you clear now? When you should choose two words and when you should choose 2. Okay. If it's a direction, it's pointing out. It's 2 words. If you're actually within the physical vicinity and you're pointing out, it's 2. Is that okay? Good, very good. Now, any more questions, or can I close the class now? Karma, any more questions? Can I close the class? I'm stopping the share now. Thank you so much.